Welcome to Farm Documentaries, your go-to destination for an immersive journey into the world of farming and agriculture. Dive into the heart of the fields where tractors plow, crops sway, and innovation blooms. Our channel is a celebration of the incredible stories woven by the hands of farmers, the rhythm of nature, and the marvels of modern agriculture. Whether you are a seasoned farmer, an agriculture enthusiast, or just curious about where your food comes from, you are in the right place. From the soothing rustle of leaves to the powerful hum of machinery, we bring you the sights and sounds of farm life like never before. Explore the vast landscapes where every furrow tells a story and every harvest is a triumph. Join us on our journey that goes beyond the plowed fields and into the heart of the farming community. Expect engaging documentaries, insightful tutorials, and a front row seat to the agricultural innovation shaping the future. This is more than a channel. It's a community of agri-enthusiasts, nature lovers, and those who appreciate the beauty in every seed sown and every crop reaped. Subscribe now and become part of our growing community. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment in the fields. This is Farm Documentaries, where the story of agriculture unfolds in every frame. Welcome to the farm life like you have never seen before.